Hello, I just received a box from Miniland. Let's take a look.
Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite social emotional learning products from Miniland. I love Miniland because not only are they high quality products, but they're also very affordable and durable.
Emotiblocks, emotion detectives. Ooh, this one too.
Students can learn to dress and undress through doll play as they fasten zippers, buttons, buckles, shoelaces, and more.
One thing I love is that they all come in different skin colors and genders. The other thing that I love is that the clothes are removable. You have to pull his backpack off. You have to work on that pinching grip, which is very difficult for a lot of beginning kindergartners. Zippers, huge skill. And then this little friend has buckles, snaps, Velcro all down the back. And I love her dark skin because she looks like me.
Emotion Detectives creates an opportunity for teachers to open a dialogue about everyday conflicts.
The player will spin. If you land on, let's say, a home card, you have to look at the picture and talk as a group how you would handle this situation. So what's happening? Then the next question is, what's the right way to act? And so you get your magnifying glass after they discuss, and you can see the right choice. What I love are these are all very typical situations, so it's not hard for a student to think about themselves in the role of the child.
Emotiblocks is a set of characters with interchangeable pieces with over 100 possible combinations. It also comes with double-sided activity cards showing real children expressing their emotions.
So you would pull a card and you would have to match that feeling and have kids talk about, wow, how do you think that child is feeling? Why do you think they're feeling that way? Can you make that face? And then they're supposed to go and build it and represent that feeling. Getting kids to talk about the emotion they're feeling when something happens to them is a great way to start that social emotional learning.